Before we get into the video, and by the way, here's the wheels, but I'll have them shown more in the video. Did a video on putting on these rotors, but like it was really short, so I'm not gonna upload it. But if you guys need some drilled slotted rotors, I got these on Amazon for $74. So I will have the link into the description if you guys need some rotors. I've been using them, they've been fine. The ones I had with the car were warped when I got it. But these are $74, they're drilled slotted. I'll have the link in below. Okay guys, so the final piece. The exhaust is here. We got the Megan Racing exhaust, is just the Y pipe. All this stainless steel performance. And you guys kind of know what a Y pipe is. If not, you'll see what a Y pipe looks like. So we got the stickers. Stickers. The Y pipe finally got a bunch of nuts and bolts. I have slightly gutted the trunk, just slightly. Just got the spare and everything. Got the Y pipe, shirt, but I actually have a lot more room now, so I actually do recommend taking out your spare tire because it gives you a lot more height width to put your stuff. You don't have enough height for anything. So when I took that out, oh man, like you could actually like sit in there and shut it if you needed to. I'll give you guys a cold start. So we're gonna head to Eric's. That's where we went last time because he's Eric the car god. So we're gonna head to Eric's, put on the Y pipe.
I was trying to put a 13 on there.
Yeah, the Y pipe's so skinny.
It is really fucking skinny.
Just smoking.
It's off.
It's off?
It's off.
Oh.
It's off. I can't get out of there. Oh wait, the other one. Stupid!
Right, like 20 something. Coming off. It's off. Off. And away with the garbage right there.
Oh my god. Get this trash out of my garage. Ah!
This is how small the soft Y pipe is. Okay guys, we took the hatch off because this thing apparently weighs like 10 pounds, something stupid. So we're about to find out. That's got a good bit of weight to it.
It does. Yeah, it does. Oh, you're dying.
Really? How much do you think this weighs? Oh, wow, okay, yeah, that's actually
Pretty heavy. Let's see. I don't think it'll go down. Maybe that will. Oh well.
We tried.
I gotta give him a show.
Y'all let him see me get lashed.
Dirty whore.
Shit's blowing my hair, dude. Really? Swear to God. Like seriously, my hair was sitting here.
the base. The base stuff. Hater. Must be nice to have a GTR. One day we'll get it. We're cleaning the Z. I got the new wheels put on it, and Anthony has his beautiful GTR that needs to be washed. Probably gonna do a pull for the video. Baby pool. It was still cold. Yeah, we got the, almost said the GTR. We got the Z all cleaned up. Let me know what you guys think of the stock wheels. I'm gonna put coils on it eventually. Right now I need wider tires. We just roast them. But the front ones are brand new. These, they said they're like 70 or 80%, but they barely have anything on it. At least there's no wire, but I got them nice and clean. One of the sport ones, but I'll take these. So I actually traded my old wheels, and the guy gave me 400 bucks. So I got these wheels with brand new tires in the front. The rears were they're all right, but he gave me that, these wheels, and 400 bucks just for my rims and tires. So I hated my other ones. Like, they weren't my style. It came with the car, and they're just too heavy anyway. Tell me if you like them or not. I kind of want to keep them now. I was going to keep them for a while and get some different rims, but they're kind of growing on me, and I think it'll be a lot better when I do coilovers on the car. Don't worry, guys. I cleaned the inside too. So it's nice and clean. So if you guys ever want to see the inside of my car, that's what it looks like. I got the harnesses right here, and yeah, it's automatic. And then that's basically, it's just like the base. Came with that aftermarket radio. Just for any of you guys that ever wanted to see the inside of my car, now you see it. Okay, actually, I just noticed this now. And the reason that tire light is on is because these tires don't have sensors in them, which I'll get put on, which I will get put in eventually. But I just noticed the throttle response is like really good now. I've never just sat in my car and just like gave it a little rev, but like that's like actually really instant. But I gotta fix that rattling.